Hi, this is Matthew from Droxy, and today we're going to talk about our new feature called Agent Memories. With memories, you can give feedback to the agents about how they performed and make sure that they do not forget it for future conversations. So let's take a look at a few examples. We have an agent here called Bright Metric, and let's take a look at the conversations that this agent has. So it has a few conversations. If we take a look at this conversation, one of the leads that talked to this agent asked if the company offers discounts. And the agent didn't find any information about discounts and mentioned that it's best to reach out to the sales team. Now let's see that we do in fact offer discounts, and we want the agent to answer that in a future conversation where the lead is asking about discounts. Well, we can do that, but by simply clicking on Create Memory and specify when the agent should remember. So I'm just going to paste that here and generate the memory. Now the memory is generated here. We can test it. So let's ask, do you offer distros? So this will use your current configuration, and it will also use your new memory that you have just generated here. Okay, so now the age of answer is better. So let's save the memory. Let's take a look at this conversation now. So here the user asks about the plans that we offer. And here the agent is doing a good job of explaining the different plans that we have, but the agent is not providing a call to action to the user. And it's simply stating what the plans are. So let's say they want to change that. Let's click on Create Memory and add this here. So essentially what we're adding here is we want the agent to remember that the next time that a lead asks about plans, we want to invite the user or the lead to book a demo. So let's do that. Now let's generate the memory. Okay, once we have the memory, we can test it once again, and then once we're satisfied, we can save it. Finally, let's take a look at this example. So here, one of the leads is asking a question that is not related to Bright Metric. And let's say we want to prevent the agent from engaging in that sort of questions. So let's click on Create Memory. And here we can paste what the agent remember. And so let's see here, we can ask, what do you think of tariffs? Okay. And so now it says, I don't have everything, which is good. So let's save the memory. Cool. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And all your members are saved here, and you can easily edit them or delete them or add new memories. So we hope this feature helps you create more performant and more reliable agents for your customers.